CLAT UG 5 years LLB entrance exam syllabus. What is the syllabus and what should be your approach? Number one is reading comprehension. English में reading comprehension आते हैं. There are different types of reading comprehension. में से जो questions आते हैं वो कैसे से questions आते हैं? Inference, main idea, author's main purpose, passage can be termed as tone of the passage, central idea, conclusion, and figures of speech. Okay, so what should be your approach? Now your approach should be that number one, you Google that. Okay, step one, what are the tricks? Maybe you pick up. I would say don't pick up one at a time. Let's pick up 2 to 3 at a time, maybe 2 at a time, and you find out what are the tips and tricks to solve these type of questions. Okay, you get a bare minimum idea. Okay, step one is this. And step two is that you get the PYQs of CLAT, find the passages which have these two kinds of questions, solve the PYQ, solve the RC, read the passage first. Okay, then go to the question, read the option, see which is the most suitable option, and then when you have solved the questions, you go to the explanation. Okay, and then you see, okay, fine, what are they trying to say? Okay, ye aise dimag lagana tha. Okay, fine, done. Next, moving on to the next questions like this. So till the time you're not confident with inference and main idea, you don't go on to author's main purpose and passage can be termed as. This way, if you do it step by step, you are getting thorough with what needs to be done. Now, what happens is, if it is inference, the term inference, you have created your own idea that what is inference. But when you're solving the question for reading comprehension, you need to have a different idea of the word inference. Similarly for critical reasoning also. So that is why going through the tips and tricks and then solving the question and then putting in your brain with the explanation is very important. And then step 3 is that you solve 4 to 5 RCs back to back for speed. Now, for step 3 is that you create a speed and you are able to manage time management and for speed at the same time applying tips and tricks. So this is what you need to do. Okay, this is how you do your English. Then we have our legal aptitude. For legal aptitude, you need to cover your Indian constitution, torts, contracts, criminal law, family law, international law. Now, step 1 is that you read the theory. Okay, now you read the theory, you don't need to learn anything because nothing is going to come from legal GK. Whatever legal GK type of questions you are seeing in the legal aptitude section of CLAT, it is all from your current affairs. So current affairs are really, really important now because memory based questions in the legal section are also coming from current affairs. Okay, theory pढ़ the best book to do so is LA and LR by Willy. It is a good book. Okay, you can also refer to my lectures for Indian constitution, torts, family law, that is Muslim law, Hindu law, and international law. Very soon I'll be also covering contracts and criminal law. Now you have clarity of concept, what is law like. Now the next is step 2 is you solve the PYQs, like all the PYQs of CLAT and ELET, which are there in the Willy's book, or you can refer to the English book that you've taken for PYQs. Step 3 is you buy mock tests from good online institute and you solve the recent mock tests that are based on news regard to the current scenario. Okay,